Okay, here's a Saturday update out here in the shop. Those are my fake logs over there. Some paneling over there that's going to go for the backsplash of my kitchen cabinets, which are the very tops of those boxes you can see. I got all the cabinets over there, up to and including the kitchen sink. We've got more logs over here up against the wall, stained, ready to go in. Just moved the air compressor that we use all day, every day. And here's a quick update of what's going on. As you can see, I've got some of the logs up on the wall. Starting them up the stairs. Got as far as here. Looks like I'm going to have quite a few more logs. So I think I'm going to carry them across this wall here. And this area here, in a few minutes, I'm going to come out and insulate. This is going to be the kitchen area. Obviously that's the front door. These wires sticking through are DC wires. I'm going to convert my 1952 military gas lanterns to 12 volt LED. And these are the switches for the lanterns. And that's a switch for the 20 watt 12 volt light bar I have not installed yet. And then here is the barn door installed. It turned out very well. Took quite a bit of figuring. But we got it working. I got to get a recessed handle for it. And that's the look I was going for, if I can back up. Once again, I'm hobbling around on one foot. My ankle went out again 4 days ago, so I've been out here on crutches. I think that looks pretty cool. Started moving some stuff into the bedroom area. There's the light switches, there we go. Hopefully next weekend I'll be moving in here. It's a ceiling fan I got to put together for the living area. I got the ceiling fan up in the bedroom. That little box over there has a 12 volt outlet plug and several USB plugs, and an on-off switch, and it actually has a voltmeter in it. So things are coming along. Hopefully by the end of next week, this will be, I'll be able to move in. Got the ceiling all in, beadboard on the ceiling. We got the beam going across from the bathroom, kitchen to the living area. And then over here where the floor is missing, should be about the end of my cabinets. Probably can't see this that well. It's not very lit up in here. Oh, probably because I didn't turn the lights on. We turn the lights on. Oh, much better. Right here where the flooring is missing, the cabinets are going to go to where that light's hanging. And then right about here, up to there, is going to be a beam to help support this beam. I'm going to use a cedar tree from my property as the support beam. So the cedar tree is going to go in right here. And there'll be an eat-in countertop and all the knotty pine cabinets, washer, dryer, refrigerator, so on. But it's been a lot of work. Got my propane pipe coming in through the logs. And anybody that wants to use these, they call them D-links, I guess. I don't know, they're like 7 inches wide, these logs. You got to come in here and make a box for your outlets, and you got to cut them back so you can get them in and use them. That takes a bit of time. But I think it's turning out pretty good. Get the camera back to normal. So anyway, that's just an update. Saturday, November 10th, I think it is. Really cold out. It's like 36 degrees today. So the table saws, the drills, the chop saw, I don't even know where it is. It's under the table. All these nail guns and everything have all been running off my solar system, which is really cool. Alright, so there's the update inside the Grouse. Things are coming along. Hopefully by next weekend, this will all be done. I'm going to put a temporary door going up the stairs to save my heat, and I should be able to move in. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.